Question 2. Diagram on the right shows a sector VOW with center O and radius of 5. Okay, so this is 5 means this will also be 5 cm. Given that OW is OV is VW, OW, OV, VW, all also same length. That means this is an equilateral triangle. So 5, 5, this is also 5. Find the value of theta in radians. Okay, so for an equilateral triangle, you must know the angle will be 60, 60, 60. Okay, so we just change 60 degrees to, let's write the theta first. Okay, subject first. 60 over 180 times pi. Okay, we change 60 degrees. We know it's 60 degrees because equilateral triangle. And converting to radians, this is the formula. Okay, angle divided by 180 times pi. So let's take our calculator. 60 over 180 times pi. You get 1.047 radians. Right. Area of shaded segment VW. Okay. So this shaded segment, let me erase this first. This shaded segment is a segment here. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to minus the sector with the triangle to get that area. Okay, you find the area of the whole sector, we minus this triangle off, we will get the shaded region. Okay, so area of sector is 1 over 2 r square theta. Area of triangle is 1 over 2 AB sine C. So if you want to find area of shaded region, it will be area of sector minus the triangle. Right. So let's look at the sector. So for the sector, we have the radius is 5, and the theta here is 1.047. So 1 over 2, 5 square, 1.047. Minus, the triangle will be 1 over 2, AB sine C. Okay. Since we have this angle, we can say this is AB and this will be angle C. So A and B are 5 and 5 sine 1.047. Okay, you can use sine in radians, but you must make sure your calculator is set to radians. Okay, so here first we set our calculator to radians. This one G, D and R. If your calculator shows R means it's set in radians. So 1 over 2 times 5 square times 1.047 is 13.0875 minus 1 over 2 times 5 times sine 1.047. 10.824. So 13.0875 minus answer is 2.263 cm square. Okay, to change the angle to radians, in this calculator the button is up here. But in your white color 570EX, you need to press shift menu 2, okay, to choose angle unit, and then you select radian. So on the top of your calculator, you will see a small r appear. Okay, so that means your calculator is in radians. If you want to change back, you press shift menu again, angle unit, then you can choose degree, and then it will show the D on top. Okay, that means your calculator is in degrees. So you must make sure you choose radians when you are solving trigonometry, sine, cos, tangent, okay, in your calculator.